GitLab allows you to add coverage-guided fuzz testing to your pipeline. This helps you discover bugs and potential security issues that other QA processes may miss by sending random inputs to an instrumented version of your application in an effort to cause unexpected behavior, such as a crash. When we expand the Security Scanning tab, we can see that coverage fuzzing detected one potential vulnerability. So we see that it's an uncaught exception vulnerability. Once we click on this, we can see the crash type, crash state, and a stack trace snippet of exactly what happened. We also have an identifier that has a link to an uncaught exception, providing us with a definition as well as possible fixes to that issue. You can also dismiss the vulnerability with a comment or create a confidential issue, enabling developer and security team collaboration. Coverage-based fuzzing is useful because it allows us to address unexpected behavior before pushing code to production.